In 8th place, it's Fierce 5 from KC Cheer. In 7th place, Kings and Queens from Top Gun Savannah.
He's so thorough, they're so good.
And in 6th place, it's the Bomb Squad from ECE. Now, before those teams stand up, I want to recognize the following teams as earning at-large bids to the USASF World. Rock Cheer Company, Cheer Extreme Heist, and KC Cheer, Fierce 5. All right, if I've called out your rating already, you guys can stand up, wave to your fans, and exit the floor. Great job. And then number 5, let's hear it for your top 5 teams in small senior co-ed in the nation. Here we go. In 5th place, with the final score of 96.0709, Ice Radar. In 4th place, with a final score of 96.9292, Smohead from the California All-Stars. Great job, Smohead. And now, for our top 3 teams, make your NCAA winner circles on the mat, and let's get the coaches from these programs to meet in the middle of the floor and congratulate each other on a job well done. Give it up for Prodigy All-Stars, South Jersey Storm, and Brandon All-Stars, Senior Black. These teams have scored higher than a 98. In 3rd place, your bronze medal winners with a 98.0042, South Jersey Storm, Celsius. And in 2nd place, your silver medal winners with a 98.3833, it's Midnight from Prodigy All-Stars. Also, shout out, Midnight, you had the highest day 2 score here in the Toyota Center. Great job. Ladies and gentlemen, they have won NCAA Grand National title 5 of the last 10 years. And as of right now, they are currently in the lead to take that again with a 98.45. It's Brandon Senior.